Hey travel lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you love budget-friendly adventures and stress-free packing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best DIY travel hacks to help you pack light and smart for cheap and hassle-free travel. Whether you're backpacking through Europe, taking a weekend getaway, or flying with just a carry-on, these tips will make your life so much easier. So stick around and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome travel content. Choosing the right bag. First things first, your bag matters. The goal is to pack efficiently while keeping it lightweight. Here are the best choices for different types of travelers. Backpacks versus suitcases. A 40L backpack is perfect for carry-on travel, while a small rolling suitcase works if you prefer wheels. Compression bags or packing cubes. Compression bags are great for maximizing space, while packing cubes keep you super organized. Personal item perks. Airlines often allow a small personal item. Use a foldable duffel bag or a tote with lots of compartments to get extra storage for free. Which do you prefer, backpack or suitcase? Comment below. We love hearing your tips too. DIY packing techniques. Alright, now let's talk about packing techniques that will save you space and keep your stuff neat. The roll versus fold debate. Rolling clothes saves space and prevents wrinkles. If you have bulkier items, the bundle wrap method is a game changer. DIY travel-size toiletries. Instead of buying expensive minis, use contact lens cases or tiny jars for shampoo, lotion, and creams. Wear your bulky items. Always wear your heaviest jacket, shoes, and accessories to free up space in your bag. Stuff socks and small items in shoes. Don't waste that empty space. It's perfect for socks, chargers, or even small souvenirs. If you're finding these tips useful, hit that thumbs up button and let us know your best packing trick in the comments. Minimalist packing list. Now let's break it down with a super efficient minimalist packing list. Clothing rule 5-4-3-2-1. 5 tops. 4 bottoms, including leggings, shorts. 3 pairs of shoes, sneakers, sandals, flats. 2 jackets or sweaters. 1 swimsuit or extra item based on your destination. Versatile clothing choices. Stick to neutral colors and layerable outfits that mix and match easily. A scarf or multi-use sarong is a must. Dual-purpose items. A microfiber towel is perfect for showers, beach days, or even as a blanket on flights. Essential tech and documents. A compact power bank, universal adapter, and digital copies of your passport should always be in your carry-on. Money-saving packing hacks. Traveling cheap? Here are money-saving hacks to cut costs while packing smart. DIY snacks and reusable water bottles. Airport food is pricey. Bring a refillable water bottle and snack packs to avoid extra spending. Avoid baggage fees. Check airline rules carefully. Many low-cost carriers have strict limits, so knowing size restrictions can save you lots of dollars in fees. Solid toiletries over liquids. Use bar shampoo, bar soap, and toothpaste tablets to avoid TSA restrictions and spills. Secret stash spots. Keep emergency cash in a lip balm container or an old lotion bottle to avoid theft. Use Google Maps offline. Download maps before your trip so you can navigate without data charges. Would you try any of these hacks? Let us know which one is your favorite. Airport and security hacks. Alright, let's talk about airport security and travel day hacks. Fast-track security. Keep electronics and liquids in an easy access pouch to breeze through TSA. Wear slip-on shoes. Avoid delays at security by wearing shoes that come off easily. Use a pillowcase trick. Need extra space? Stuff a pillowcase with clothes and bring it on as your travel pillow. Digital boarding pass and screenshots. Save your boarding pass and accommodation details as screenshots to avoid Wi-Fi issues at check-in. Airport lounges for cheap. Many airports offer day passes for lounges, which can be cheaper than buying meals at airport restaurants. Want more travel hacks? Subscribe now and never miss a video. More awesome tips coming soon. And that's a wrap on today's DIY travel hacks for packing light and smart. I hope these tips help you travel stress-free and save money on your next trip. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend, And don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly travel tips. See you in the next adventure. Happy travels!